In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to your Wix website, a complete step-by-step guide. Whether you're a small business owner looking to enhance customer interaction or a digital enthusiast wanting to make your site more engaging, integrating an AI chatbot can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First, you need to access your Wix account and open the dashboard of the website where you intend to add the chatbot. Once you've got your dashboard open, navigate to the App Market. You'll find this option conveniently located in the sidebar on the left of your screen. Think of the App Market as a one-stop shop for enhancing the capabilities of your website, including tools for integrating AI chatbots. Now, in the App Market, you'll want to search for AI Chatbot to pull up a variety of options. Depending on your specific needs and style preferences, you might see multiple apps suitable for different types of businesses or communication styles. It's important to choose one that aligns well with your brand's voice and functionality requirements. Once you've made your selection, click the Add to Site button. As soon as the AI Chatbot app is added, you'll need to configure its settings to suit your needs. Look for a Settings or Setup prompt within the app, usually highlighted after the installation step. This is where things really start to get interesting. You can customize the chatbot's appearance, choose its language, and define the main scripts and responses. Take your time here, as these adjustments will play a key role in how effectively your chatbot interacts with visitors. While you're setting up, remember to input some initial questions and answers related to your business's common inquiries. A good rule of thumb is to think about FAQs your customers regularly ask and include them in your chatbot's initial knowledge base. This ensures it provides value right from the start. After you've tailored the settings and content, it's crucial to test the chatbot. Head over to your website's preview mode and initiate a conversation with the chatbot. Check how it responds and adjust the settings if necessary. Believe it or not, the testing phase can make a significant difference. It provides insights into areas your chatbot excels in and spots where it may stumble or require more finesse. Finally, once you're satisfied with the chatbot's performance, publish your website with the new additions. Remember, this isn't the end. Regularly monitor interactions through the Analytics panel provided by the Chatbot app. This allows you to continually refine responses and configurations, creating an exceptional experience for your visitors. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've equipped your Wix website with an AI chatbot, forging a more interactive and responsive online presence. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and guides like this one.